Sylvia Earle was a marine biologist who had worked in her field for over 40 years. Despite the many challenges she faced, including demanding hours, difficult travel, and sexism in the scientific community, she remained passionate about her work. At the age of 62, Earle was excited about the prospect of living in an underwater ocean lab 60 feet below the surface, where she could study marine life up close. Even though she had reached the average retirement age in the United States, Earle had no plans to retire. Her job was a major source of joy. Many popular books, such as The 4-Hour Workweek, suggest that people should strive to work as little as possible. However, a 2002 survey called the General Social Survey found that most people would still choose to work in some capacity, even if they didn't need to. This is especially true for individuals who are passionate about their jobs. In fact, if you're truly passionate about your work, you'll likely want to work more than just a few hours a week. The key to finding fulfillment in your career